Hey guys, this is Danny with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Wanted to show you a used trade-in that we just got in. I actually sold this boat back in 24. This is a 2024 Bennington L22. Beautiful boat. Got the nice extended deck in the front, extended deck in the back. Got the nice black color with the tan Simtex interior. This has the SPS package with a 150. Let's go around back. Let me show you a little more. As I was saying, you've got the SPS package with a Yamaha 150. It's a great running boat. Plenty of power to cruise the lakes or even do a little water sports. Let's jump up inside. Let me show you inside. Up in the boat now, I'll show you a little bit with the seats. This has the Platinum Tan Simtex material. The vinyl is easy to keep clean. You've got all of your storage and everything underneath all the seats. Integrated cup holders. You've got a cocktail table here in the front, your bow, and then more storage over here. You got your integrated speakers. Everything is channeled out, so all the water will drain out and keep everything dry inside the boat. Over here at the helm station, nice fiberglass helm station. You got I think a Simrad here, a 7-inch Simrad, tilt steering, Ruffer Fosgate stereo system, and then nice captain's chair. And then you have a full long bench on this side here with a shorter bench on the back here. Gives you a lot of space to sit down. Seagrass Seagrass flooring in here. You got a 10-foot bimini top, so plenty of coverage. This boat only has 38 hours. Will be a great boat for a family around here, one of our local lakes. If you want to see more about this boat, please visit us here at Greenville MarineMax.